Morning. How are we?
All right.
Yeah, all right. Right. You're never going to guess what. We're going for a walk. Redmires reservoir. Start of today's walk. The plan is to go round to down to Hollow Meadows, up to Moscar, High Neb, Stanage Pole and back. About 9 miles, I think. Happy with 9 miles?
Yeah.
Yeah, if I must.
Yeah.
Supposed to be facing the oncoming traffic here.
No, we're not.
But we're not. Yeah, we leave the road just up here. Right, here we go then. Bubble hats at the ready.
Yes.
Weather. You get used to it, don't you? Look at this! I'll show you. Pretty good, eh? This has made the walk all worthwhile. That's fantastic. Stanage pole. Stanage pole. I don't know how many years this has been here. Bloody hundreds. There's a plaque there, look. They replaced it a couple of years back, didn't they? Don't know how long one lasts. Pole last. How long does a pole last? How long is a piece of string? Heading back down now to Redmires reservoir where we're parked up. You can just see the reservoir down there. It's been a good walk, isn't it? How many do you give it out of 10? What's that? 10? Don't be so bloody stupid. She gave it 10 out of 10. Started off, I'd give it 5 out of 10. But as we come along Stanage edge there, cleared up, we got some nice views, so I give it 7 out of 10. That's about it. Still good though. Ten out of 10.